Hi, everyone, and welcome to Inspire Beautiful. I'm so glad you're here. This channel began during a season when I was learning a lot about resilience and care. Life shifted, and so did I. Inspire Beautiful is returning now with more clarity, more gentleness, and a deeper respect for what it means to heal at your own pace. Moving forward, Inspire Beautiful is a quiet space on YouTube, created for people who are navigating real life, real stress, and real healing, often all at the same time. This channel isn't about perfection, it's not about transformation overnight, and it's not about telling anyone who they should be. It's about small, thoughtful shifts, the kind that help life feel more manageable, more grounded, and a little more hopeful over time. Here, we'll talk about things like choosing calmer, healthier rhythms, rebuilding trust with yourself, finding steadiness after difficult experiences, and learning how small, intentional choices can quietly change how life feels. I won't be sharing my personal story here, not because it doesn't matter, but because this space isn't about me. This space is about you and what helps you move forward in a way that feels safe and sustainable. Some videos may feel reflective, others may feel practical. All of them are created with the same intention to offer warmth, clarity, and reassurance without pressure. There's no expectation to watch everything, no urgency to fix anything. You're welcome to take what resonates, leave what doesn't, and come back whenever it feels right for you. If you've been carrying a lot, quietly, competently, and without much acknowledgement, this space is for you. Thank you for being here. I hope Inspire Beautiful becomes a place you return to when you need calm, perspective, or a gentle reminder that growth doesn't have to be loud to be real. Take care, everyone.